Hi friends, so watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this particular video, I'll be reacting to and reviewing the title announcement teaser of the upcoming Telugu movie Gami. I felt the title announcement teaser or the title announcement poster, whatever we can call it as, was interesting because it creates curiosity. The face of the protagonist, the face of hero or heroine or the key leads of the movie has not been shown, but the curiosity element has been maintained in the teaser. That is what I just loved. There is a question and a person, the protagonist, is searching for an answer. Shankar is the protagonist and he is sent away from the ashram on the request of the inhabitants of the ashram. They tell that your problem has become our problem now. Before it creates a mess up, before the problem haunts us, kindly leave the ashram. And Shankar leaves the ashram obediently and he goes in search of the answer. We also see in the promo, that is at the end of the promo, that Shankar probably finds the solution. And the biggest debate and the biggest question is, what was the problem and why was Shankar sent away from the ashram, and where did he go to seek his reply or seek the answers for that particular query? What was that big problem? Was it really a big problem for which he went into the search for answer? It likely looks so. So probably we are shown the protagonist Shankar travel in a boat or a ship, and he's traveling everywhere, exploring everywhere to find an answer. Probably he reaches Kashi. I thought it was banks of river Ganga, or I saw Kashi or Varanasi at the end of the teaser. I may be wrong. It looked like Varanasi, where finally the protagonist reaches in seek of his answer. So the foundation and the concept and premise of the movie, what it could be, has been shown without revealing the characters and without much revealing what exactly the plot or the concept of the movie is. Because this was only the title announcement, I am happy that for title announcement, people use different frames for title announcement. Only the poster or the title will be used, and then comes the teaser. These people have combined the title announcement and teaser together. It was an interesting premise to watch. I also loved the concept in which the title was announced and pronounced. So while watching the title announcement teaser, you can also hear that BGM. That BGM looks really good. It elevates the curiosity of Gami, that is the title announcement. Vishwak Sen and Chandini Chowdhury will be playing the lead roles in the movie. Probably the role of Shankar is played, not probably, by all means, the role of Shankar, the title role of Shankar has been played by Vishwak Sen himself. And the inhabitants of the ashram are looking like Aghoris or Shiv Bhakts for me, and it will be very interesting to wait and see if this movie has been made on the concept of Aghoris, or if they're only Shiv Bhakts or the Lord Shiva followers, or only the sages and monks. Only the film will reveal. I may be wrong also. Vidyadhar Kagita is the director of the movie Gami. Looks very interesting title, isn't it? And the director, I feel, has brought and put right things in the right places and has made a very good effort in making a very good movie. The way in which Gami, the title, has been written is also artistic, and I really loved it. Gami, I think the word comes from Gamana, that is to walk or to explore. I think this is the story of explorer, and Shankar is the explorer. What he explores, not only the answer for his questions, the answers for his problems, but also I feel that the movie is all about exploration of inner self, trying to find out who he is and what is his inner self all about. The deep inner exploration of the persona of a particular person, what we can consider as introspection of the personality, one's personality. I think this is also the premise of the movie. So is this movie going to be an entertainer, or has more of philosophical elements stitched with an entertainment movie? We should wait and see. So this was my reaction and review of the title announcement teaser of Gami. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste. Keep exploring yourself. Be a Gami.